We are the Lockmore family, so much love it's clear to see. We are the Lockmore family, so come with us, what will we see? The Lockmore family.
Hey all you cool cats and kittens, we're home and we are going to answer the age-old question. Who has better lemons, California or Florida? Parker, what do you think? California or Florida? I don't know, but we're making lemonade. Woo! Today's lemonade is brought to you by Chef Dad. First, he is pouring the sugar for precise measurement. Whoa. Don't eat that, you're too young. So we have 4 cups water and 4 cups sugar because now we're going to make a syrup.
Clear, almost crystal clear. It's almost ready for the fridge.
This is taking way longer than I thought it would.
Patience, young Padawan.
Patience, young Padawan.
Over here, please. Important chef work happening.
We need a new spoon.
So this is the syrup water.
Wash those hands.
Washing my hands for 20 seconds before I get started on my lemonade. 1, 2, 3. You can come back in 20 seconds. And 20. I definitely washed them for 20 seconds.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Great Lemonade Cook-Off. In this corner, we have Anthony, who is working with
Florida.
And in this corner, we have Christopher, who is working with
California.
Which one will win?
My lemonade is going to be better. My lemons are bigger. My knife is bigger. What do you expect?
Mine are more unique.
Ooh.
More of a limeade, if you will. All right, everyone, it's time for the lemonade test. Are we ready?
Are you ready?
Yes, let's do it. I'm gonna taste the California one first.
Okay.
So, very beautiful.
Why have I got this much?
Because it's a taste test.
Lexi has that much.
Well, here we go.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
First time.
First time.
First
Cheers.
Cheers to you.
Here we go.
Ooh, very tart.
Very sweet.
Let's play.
That was really...
That's exactly what I was gonna say. Took the word right out of my
Well,
mouth.
you made a copycat recipe, but
Fresh,
we'll see.
organic, Californian.
All right, let's get
This
over it. So
looks
here we go.
cloudy.
This is going to be our
Cloudy.
next test. I'm pretty sure there might be a grapefruit in here as well, so I hope you're not allergic. I don't think one of them was an orange, but that's okay.
None of them were oranges. These are lemons.
I meant lemon.
No animals were harmed
So
in the making of this lemonade.
here we go. Cleanse-
Wait, I didn't finish mine.
Oh, well that sounds like a personal problem.
Oh, you're mixing the two.
No?
Wow.
I'm a little afraid. Yours
this
is like
one is-
frothy.
This one is very bitty.
Bitty?
It's got lots of bits in it.
Yep.
Is that
Well,
an adjective?
Okay.
here we go. May the odds be ever in your favor.
There's nothing.
Cheers
It looks
to
like
you.
Polyjuice potion, maybe.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh! Oh! I think, needless to say, California won. Because this is
Ooh.
something else.
Okay, and the loser goes down the sink.
We can make kisses. Whoa.